Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Capital One virtual card in store. First, open your Capital One app. Make sure you're using the latest version. Select the card you want to use and look for the virtual card option. Depending on your card type, it might appear at the top or lower down the page. Next, view your virtual card details. Tap the option and you'll see your virtual card number, expiration date, and security code. These are the details you'll need. Next, add the card to your digital wallet. Open your digital wallet, Apple Wallet, or Google Wallet. Tap the plus sign to add a new card. Then, enter your Capital One virtual card number, expiration date, and security code. Once verified, the card will appear in your wallet as a payment method. Next, use your phone to pay in store. The next time you're at checkout, select your virtual card in your wallet. Then, hold your phone near the card reader. As long as your phone has NFC enabled, you'll be able to pay contactlessly with your Capital One virtual card. And that's it. You can repeat this process for multiple virtual cards from Capital One or even other banks. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.